Brace yourself, folks. NASA's James Webb Space Telescope just dropped a cosmic bombshell that's about to blow your mind harder than a supernova at a science fair. We're talking potential alien life. Not just one, but multiple planets orbiting the nearby star TRAPPIST-1. It's like hitting the astronomical jackpot, except instead of cash, we've got the possibility of extraterrestrial neighbors. Buckle up, because this discovery is going to take you on a wild ride through the universe. Imagine if your neighbor casually mentioned they found a bunch of potentially habitable planets in their backyard. Well, that's basically what NASA just did, except replace backyard with 39 light years away and neighbor with the most advanced space telescope ever built. What's up, space cadets? It's your boy Bob, coming at you live from my top secret tinfoil-wrapped moon base with news that's going to make your space helmet spin. NASA's James Webb Space Telescope, aka the biggest, baddest, most advanced eye in the sky, has just dropped a bombshell that's sending shockwaves to the scientific community and beyond. We're talking signs of potential alien life, and not just on one measly planet, but on multiple worlds orbiting our cosmic neighbor, TRAPPIST-1. This is like finding out that the universe has been hiding a secret stash of potentially habitable planets right under our noses, just waiting for us to discover them. It's a revelation that could change everything we thought we knew about life in the cosmos and our place in the grand scheme of things. We could be on the brink of the greatest discovery in human history, one that could finally answer the age-old question, are we alone in the universe? But before we get ahead of ourselves and start packing our bags for an intergalactic travel, let's dive into the mind-bending details of this cosmic jackpot. Trust me, you're going to want to stick around for this. And while we're at it, smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss a single second of this unfolding cosmic saga. Because, let's face it, you don't want to be the only one at the water cooler who doesn't know about the potential alien neighbors we just discovered. In a galaxy not so far away, there lies a star that's like the cosmic equivalent of a tiny house, small, cool, and packed with potentially habitable planets. It's called TRAPPIST-1, and it's about to become the most talked about star in the universe. Before we dive into the juicy details of Webb's findings, let's take a quick detour to the TRAPPIST-1 system. Located just 39 light years away, which is like a cosmic stone's throw, TRAPPIST-1 is a small, ultra-cool dwarf star that's about as massive as a heavyweight sumo wrestler compared to our sun's hulking linebacker. But what TRAPPIST-1 lacks in size, it makes up for in planetary real estate. This star is like a cosmic landlord, hosting 7 rocky planets that are all about the size of Earth. It's like a miniature solar system, but instead of a yellow star and mostly uninhabitable rocks, it's got a red star and potentially life-bearing worlds. The discovery of these planets back in 2017 was like finding a bunch of golden tickets in a cosmic candy bar. Scientists were especially stoked to find out that 3 of these planets, TRAPPIST-1e, F, and G, were in the star's habitable zone, which is like the Goldilocks zone of space. Not too hot, not too cold, just right for liquid water and maybe even life. But while the idea of habitable planets was enough to get astronomers drooling, we still didn't know much about what these worlds were actually like. That is, until the James Webb Space Telescope decided to crash the party. Webb is like a cosmic detective, using its high-tech instruments to uncover the secrets of distant worlds. And when it turned its gaze to the TRAPPIST-1 planets, it found clues that could crack the case of extraterrestrial life wide open. Launched in December 2021, the James Webb Space Telescope is like a superhero of science. With its massive mirror and advanced instruments, it's like having a set of X-ray vision goggles for the universe, allowing us to see things that were previously hidden from view. And when Webb pointed its powerful peepers at the TRAPPIST-1 planets, it found some seriously juicy stuff. By analyzing the light passing through these planets' atmospheres, Webb's instruments were able to figure out what kinds of gases were present, and the results were enough to make any science nerd squeal with glee. On the planet TRAPPIST-1d, Webb spotted a hefty amount of carbon dioxide. Now, before you start yawning, let me tell you why this is a big deal. CO2 is like a cosmic blanket that can help trap heat and make a planet nice and cozy for potential life. It's like finding out that TRAPPIST-1D has a built-in thermostat set to just right. But that's not all. Webb also found methane on this planet, which is like the calling card of living organisms. Sure, methane can be produced by non-living things too, but on Earth, it's mostly made by creatures like cows and, well, us. So finding methane on TRAPPIST-1D is like discovering a cosmic cow pasture. It's not definitive proof of life, but it sure is intriguing. However, it's the findings on TRAPPIST-1E that really made jaws drop. Here, Webb found not just CO2 and methane, but also water vapor and ozone. Ozone is like a cosmic SPF, shielding the surface from harmful radiation. On Earth, it's mostly made by plants doing their photosynthesis thing. So finding ozone on TRAPPIST-1E is like stumbling upon a cosmic garden. When you put all these clues together, it paints a picture of TRAPPIST-1E as a potential water world, with vast oceans and maybe even alien fish doing the backstroke. Of course, we can't say for sure that there's life there yet, but it's like finding a big neon sign pointing to a planet and saying, "Check this out, it might be inhabited." The discovery of potentially habitable planets around TRAPPIST-1 is like finding out that we might not be the only kids on the cosmic block. It's a game changer that could alter the course of human history and our understanding of our place in the universe. So, what does this cosmic sleuthing mean for us Earthlings? Well, for starters, it suggests that habitable planets may be as common in the universe as dad jokes at a barbecue. If a small, dim star like TRAPPIST-1 can have a bunch of potentially life-bearing worlds, then the universe could be teeming with alien critters. This is a big deal for our understanding of life in the cosmos. For centuries, we've been wondering if we're alone in the universe, like a cosmic castaway on a tiny rock. But the discovery of potentially habitable worlds in our galactic backyard suggests that we might have a lot more company than we thought. But it also opened up a whole can of cosmic worms. If there is life on these planets, what does it look like? Are we talking little green men, or something so alien that it would make H.R. Geiger's creatures look cuddly by comparison? Could there be intelligent civilizations out there? Maybe even ones that have figured out how to make flying cars that don't look ridiculous? These are the kinds of questions that will keep scientists buzzing like a beehive at a honey convention. The possibility of life on the TRAPPIST-1 planets is like a cosmic carrot, dangling in front of researchers and inspiring them to come up with new ways to study these distant worlds. In the future, we might send probes to get a closer look, like cosmic paparazzi trying to snap a picture of an alien celebrity. Or maybe we'll even send humans to check things out in person, like the universe's most epic field trip. But even if we do find life on these planets, it's probably just the tip of the cosmic iceberg. With billions of stars in our galaxy alone, the TRAPPIST-1 system could be just one of countless examples of life in the universe, each one weirder and more wonderful than the last. So in a way, this discovery isn't just about finding ET. It's about understanding our place in a cosmos that might be bursting with life, where we're not the stars of the show, but just one act in a grand cosmic circus. The James Webb Space Telescope's discovery of potentially habitable worlds around TRAPPIST-1 is a cosmic wake-up call, reminding us that the universe is full of surprises and we might not be alone after all. As we wrap up this mind-bending journey through the cosmos, it's clear that the Webb Telescope's findings are just the beginning of a new era of discovery. This cosmic bombshell is a testament to the power of human curiosity, ingenuity, and our unrelenting desire to explore the unknown. But it's not just about finding alien life. It's about understanding our place in the universe and realizing that we're part of something much bigger than ourselves. It's about embracing the spirit of exploration and continuing to ask the big questions, even when the answers seem out of reach. So as we look to the future, let's keep our eyes on the skies and our minds open to the possibilities. Who knows what other mind-blowing discoveries await us out there in the vast expanse of the cosmos. But for now, let's celebrate this incredible milestone and all the hard work that went into making it happen. And let's not forget to share this exciting news with our fellow space enthusiasts. Speaking of which, if you enjoyed this wild ride through the universe, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more mind-bending space content. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family because, let's face it, everyone needs a little cosmic perspective in their lives. I'll be back soon with more space shenanigans, but until then, keep looking up and remember, the truth is out there and it might just be waiting for us on a planet orbiting a distant star. But wait, there's more! If you can't get enough of this cosmic awesomeness, I've got 2 more videos that'll blow your mind. Just click on the links popping up on your screen right now, and let's keep this cosmic journey rolling. Trust me, you won't want to miss these mind-expanding adventures. See you there, space explorers. This is Bob, signing off from my moon base. Over and out, Space Cadets.